Years ago, our elders told stories on winter nights. There is a time in reference to when the sun turns. The women folk would make berry pudding and fry bread. Even today, we hear these stories yet around the fireplaces of our sweat lodges and ceremonial lodges. Families would invite a storyteller. There would be an exchange, like a dowry. These stories were passed on, and they were given by those that I have to start over again. These stories were passed to those that were chosen with the right. Excuse me. Many still do this. Sometimes we hear these stories many times. Every time we learn more about our people, we would say, "Hey," to let the storyteller know we are listening. I will tell a small part of this story since it is not that time to do this. Years ago, some buffalo bulls were talking of how they could live forever. We could help the Miroka as they went about. One said, "Let us be a tree." A brother said, "No, trees fall and can be burned up." Others agreed. Then another said, "Let's be a mountain." His older brother said, "That is good, but the bluffs wither away and break apart. These boulders tumble down and break up." Another said, let us be the wind." "That is not good. There is the breath of snakes and other bad things." One said, "Let's be a river." A brother said, "That is no good. Sometimes people do not respect the water. They throw trash in there and throw other bad things in there." After pondering this wish, an older one said, "Let's go up into the heavens and be stars." The others agreed. "That is good. We will help the Miroka forever." The other part of the story is about the formation of a pipe in the sky. This is the Big Dipper. At that time, they had a dog travel with them. He watched out for them. One brother said, "Let's take him and let him live forever too." If you look closely at the handle of the Big Dipper, there is a double star. Their names are the bull, horns turned forward, thin-haired places in his hide, bull that reaches near bank, crazy bull, brave bull, young white bull. There are people who carry these names. I know of the place where they went, near Billings. They went up near Billings. that is it for now. Go with